What's going on, everybody? So, I've been getting harassing phone calls from a so-called CEO for about 3 or 4 months now. Honestly, just haven't had time to address it. And since I switched to this Google Pixel 8 Pro, and this is not a review of the phone, but now when scammers call you, there's a Google Assistant that will answer. And I just want y'all to listen to one or two of these messages of how childish this person really is. I know I'm not going to say their name, but y'all know who I'm talking about. Hey, I get it. I ruined his scam. Scam's over with. He's not making no money. He's losing everything slowly but surely. I didn't want to make this video, but I think y'all deserve to see the real scammer and how he talks to people, not just his clients. Check this out. So let me just show you guys what I had to deal with yesterday. Andre kept calling me restricted. I mean, just look at how many times he called over and over. I mean, the obsession, this is beyond obsessed. But let's just listen to how he acts on the phone. This is a CEO now.
Hi, I am a Google virtual assistant recording this call for the person you're trying to reach. Before I try to connect you, can I ask what you're calling about?
You hear how childish?
Before I try to connect you, could you please give me a quick description of why you're calling?
It's no fucking credit.
Okay, let me try to get the person you're trying to reach on the line.
I mean, this and that's not it. There's several of them. Several. Let's play another one just for the heck of it.
Hi, I am a Google virtual assistant recording this call for the person you're trying to reach. Before I try to connect you, can I ask what you're calling about? Before I try to connect you, could you please give me a quick description of why you're calling?
Fucking cunt.
Before I try to connect you, could you say a bit more about why you're calling?